It all started with the cherry-flavored lipstick. Look, Mom's got a surprise for you. A kitty. What can be better than a flesh and blood friend? A magic Barbie. That's what. Let's go party. But first, what do we have here? Oh no! Who would toss some perfectly good legs? Don't worry, they're not alive. So, let's use them for arts and crafts. Also a great way to save on stockings. But she's got a better idea. Make 3 and add some glass on top. It's a table. Oh, look what's over here. Roll it down. These walls are in need of a makeover. What can we use? Oh, a candy wrapper. And the best part, it's already plenty sticky. Smooth it out. We're gonna need more candy. Wow, everything looks great. Well, the room, I think you deserve a makeover too. Uh-oh, talk about losing face. I guess this doll's starting from scratch. Okay, start by filling up these shapes. Barbie can do this blindfolded. After all, she's Barbie. Now let's try it out. Much better. Next up, let's cut up some sponges. Make any shape you like. Oh, a heart. Add some paint on top. And start stamping on the wall. Make sure to get all 4 walls. Meanwhile, let's check in on our human friends. Well, her trash is another doll's treasure. It's not much of a hula hoop, but let's add some tights. Wrap them around to bring it together. The 4 legs should be hanging down. Now tie them to the other end. Add more so it looks like a dream catcher. We just need something to hang it from. Almost done. Now it's the best seat in the house. Hey, what's in your hair? Ooh, a spring spiral. Let's hang a bunch of these too. Hey, watch out! Ooh, look, a wheel!
La 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 la.
And a paint roller. It's still wet. How about we paint this box? What's next? Old noodles? Well, maybe we can use the plate. Give it a clean new look. And we've got wheels. But the decorating doesn't have to stop there. Still, nothing beats a little name branding. And look who's coming for a visit. It's Ken! And he's a mess. Well, he's in the right place. Let's get you a new face while we're at it. Ooh, clown! Still, let's try the mustache one. Unibrows are due for a comeback. Oh wait, I'm thinking of unicorns. I guess you just can't beat a classic.
Whoa!
Oh, is your Barbie Jeep for sale? Ken dollar should cover this. Don't spend it all in one place. Look, Ken gave you his number. Hi, Ken. What the? Let's try again. I think we're gonna need a new phone. Okay, cut a cat shape out of cardboard. Hot glue some cardboard on the side. Now add a cover on top. Let's add color. Pink, it's kind of her thing. And some purple on the side. Looking good, but our phone still needs a keyboard. Ooh, it's a Hello Kitty phone. They gotta stick together. Hi, Ken. Let's get ready for that ride. Wait, what happened to your shoes? It's worse than I thought. Flat feet! And your shoes don't fit anymore. Well, it's okay. We can always make more. This glass jar should help. Clean it off. Now cover it up with some tape. Add spray foam. Wait for it to dry. Okay, let's trim it down to size. Now we're gonna need a file. Great, now use it on the shoe. Time to add some pink paint. We're ready for a big adventure. What's this? Oh, the beach. I know. Take some cardboard and use it to make a window. Let's add some shutters on the sides and hang it up on the wall. Slide that beach photo inside. Huh, an ocean view at no additional cost. Next up, take a plastic bowl and start stacking. We'll need a few. Wow, we're making a whole column. Now take some paper and cut it up. Make some frills and put it on the top. We're gonna need a bunch of these. We've got ourselves a palm tree. Ooh, your dress is a mess. Let's cut out those stains. Okay, that didn't help much. It's time to get the rubbish bin. But we're not tossing this dress. The bin's our new accessory.
La 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 la.
Now grab some colored material and stick it inside the holes. It's like a tulle ruffled skirt.
Woo, yeah.
Oh no! What's going on now? It's trash day! Dun dun dun! Oh, come on, at least sort your plastics. Oh, Barbie will always be there for you. What a happy ending. Now, where's Ken with our car? Ooh, someone's got a new fish. So let's make a new aquarium. Add some seaweed. And a lot of water. Now welcome to your new home. Oh, what's going on here? Ah, Ah, I see. We're painting with a balloon. And making dandelion shapes. Oh, your doll's gonna love this.
Wow!
Next up, we're gonna need some tights. Fill it up with stuffing. Also, get stuffing. Tie it up, and your doll's got a brand new bed. Let's tuck her in for a good night's sleep. Ooh, a candy toilet! This is a candy toilet, right? Well, if you really need a bathroom, I'm sure we can whip something up. Make it nice and soft and add some laundry gel. Whoops, almost forgot the most important part. And its name is toilet paper.
Oops!
Just need to roll up a few squares. Cut them up for a bunch of rolls. These are going on the rack. Time for a walk. Oh, forgot the stairs. Let's start with an old paper stand. Make some slices and add some steps. Look, it fits right in the holes. Now for some color. And glitter. Why don't you step right up? That's enough walking for now. We could clean up all this goop, but it's more fun to scoop it up and make it into dino shapes. Now that we've got them in shape, some glue will help them keep it. Let's add a little something on top. For your new mini table. Fancy tea set sold separately.
Wow!
Oh, ice cream! Make sure to save the container. We can add some earring studs on the side. Add a white cover, and it's a bathtub. One complete with a chain and drain. Now for the faucet. And some water. And if you really want to feel fancy, why not add some rose petals? Come on, keep it coming. Ooh, a paper clip. And with a few twists, it's a new hanger. And when it comes to hangers, you need something for them to hang off of. Not to mention something to hang. Good thing we've got all these clothes around. Dreams do come true. We've got a horse. Let's customize. Why, when we're through, it'll be a horse of a different color. Or should I say, colors. The whole rainbow. With a few add-ons, it's a rocking unicorn. So let's get rocking and rolling. Careful where you step. Oh, your poor socks.
Ew!
Well, we can make some new footwear. Add some clay and make some slices. Now for some nice faux fur trimmings. Remember, if the shoe fits, wear it. Ooh, it's a brand new television! But first, an ice tray full of animals. Add glue to make some cubes. Give it time to dry, and it's our brand new TV stand and a real icebreaker. Next up, take an old wire and bend it into shape. You can make a pretty profile. Add some little lights around it. And you can really light up a room. Ooh, careful, that chair's missing a leg. Some old shoes can fill up the space. And why stop there? Cover it in shoes. It's a great excuse to go shoe shopping. Oh, they don't make shelves like they used to. Here's what to do. Get an empty shampoo bottle. Cut off one of the sides. And cover the rest with tissue paper. Some sturdy pieces of nail file will be just the shelves we need. Now cover them up with knickknacks. After all, that's what shelves are for. What a cute little washing machine. And look, a sponge. Let's cut it up. Cover it up with some soft material. And add some legs on the bottom. Now let's add something around the rim. It's a tiny seat for your tiny friends. It's always good to stay hydrated. And if you save your bottle caps, maybe add some toothpicks or sticks. Dip it in some paint. And you've got a new stool. Let's make a whole bunch. Wow, what pretty crystal earrings. If you have a bunch, lie them down and roll them up. Now pour some glitter on top. And hang up your new chandelier. Is that an old Valentine? Let's cover it up with pom-poms. And make it a new footrest. Wow, this place is really coming together. Well, no time like the present for the grand tour. All new stuff, and it's all homemade. And that was just one floor. Sure, maybe the bathroom could use a few walls. But this shows that with a little imagination and hard work, any place can become your very own dream house.